Oh, some more? No, you're done?
Yeah, they're on the next.
You want some? There you go.
Thanks for being along with us on this special Rose Bowl occasion.
Well, this is dangerous time now for TCU.
You're silly.
You are silly.
Do you want more?
There you go.
Is it yummy?
His own man, that
Oh, be careful, be careful. It's away from the...
that's gotta be.
You ready for more? Sit down. You gotta sit down. Here you go. I'll do it. Open up. Open mouth.
You gonna take a drink?
Oh, he's gone.
Wow, that guy is running downhill.
And he's so big.
Oh, 250 pounds? That's a lot going through that line. Look at
Did you
this.
take a drink?
He hardly gets touched.
Ellie, do you want more ice cream? It's your first time eating it, huh? And you let Daddy feed you from a spoon?
You want more?
You all
want
done?
more? No? I'll do it.
That's true, he doesn't have the breakaway speed, but
Nope.
he's going to blow off 20 yards for you.
Do you want another carrot? Are you gonna wipe your mouth? Good job.
He's not the kind of runner that's
Do you want more carrots?
a 60, 70-yard run.
They have to stop him for 4 hours.